Monogram Foods is a privately owned manufacturer of food products with numerous locations across the United States. Here in Martinsville, we have 6 business centers on 54 acres, 650 team members producing primarily meat snacks, but also in distribution and technical services. We have a clean energy facility here which produces electricity from methane production. We have a diversity of career opportunities. And the manufacturing side, we certainly have machine operators, we have assemblers, we also have mechanical and engineering staff to support all of that manufacturing. On distribution side, we have logistics, we have loaders, we have truck drivers. On our clean energy side, we have wastewater technicians to manage that facility, and in our microbiology lab, we have microbiologists and microbiology techs. Here in the manufacturing plant, we have quality assurance technicians. So our skill sets range from entry level to highly skilled, whether that's on the mechanical side or the science and engineering side.
I love it because it's challenging most days. Every day is not the same. What I've learned over the years is Monogram, our slogan, we believe in people, and that is true. It's all in what the person wants to do. If you want to come into Monogram and you want to be successful and you want to climb the ladder, I mean, you can do it.
If I'm talking to a young person looking at what the career opportunities are at Monogram, I would say human skills, and then followed by science and engineering and math are always great avenues for success.
When I go to a convenience store and see our stuff that has our establishment number on it, it kind of gives you a good feeling. Makes you feel like, wow, I'm putting something out into the world.
We're here for the long haul, and let me tell you, making food for people is important work that people can be proud of.